Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023. It's actually today's on Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, and this one, the binary. Yes, let me start with the binary puzzle number. This will be number 6323. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 22 printed digits. 22. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1. Here no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Double. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here there no. Double 1, here there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here there no. Between 2 O, oh wait, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1s comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here there no. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, 2 minutes. Also an easy one, but this time with less printed digits than before. I remember before we have more than 30 printed digits. This one 22, and without comparing. Yeah, but this one is an easy puzzle, binary puzzle to solve. So if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the last puzzle for the last puzzle in this additional, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.